everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you are returning, welcome back. Everyone, make sure you click that notification bell so that you are not missing any of my videos that I post every single week. For this week's Wig Wednesday video, I am bringing you guys another wig from the Outre Daily Wig collection. This one, as you can see, is a straight bob. I have pros, I have cons, so let's get right into it. So this week I am reviewing the Daily Wig 100% human hair lace part wig in the style straight bob. I got the color natural black. This is the stock card on the front. This is the stock card on the inside, and it basically just tells you a little bit more about the Daily Wig collection. Like I said in my previous Daily Wig review, these wigs are meant to be worn on the daily, very beginner friendly. Just to give you a little more information, hand-tied deep lace part, bleach and dye friendly, breathable mesh cap, voluminous and full, elastic band for secure fit. So that is the inside, and of course on the back you have the how to care for your wig instructions. This is the packaging, and I told you guys in my last Daily Wig collection video that I was super excited to get the cute box. This is what it looks like on the inside. Obviously this is what the wig was in, and then there's another pamphlet that actually shows you the entire collection. The human hair wigs are on one side, and then the synthetic wigs are on the other side. I'll show you that in a second. Yeah, it just comes with, you know, standard packaging, but just in a cute box. So this is the pamphlet that I was telling you guys about that I really actually like, because it makes it way easier to shop for this collection when you're shopping online. Of course, I got my wig off of Amazon. That's where I get all of my wigs. And here is the synthetic collection that they have, and then on the back, whichever way you want to look at it, the human hair is on the other side. So that is your packaging. Super duper cute. So because this is a human hair wig, you will get this cute packaging. If you get a synthetic wig, just know you will get standard packaging. Okay, so now I'm going to go right into the pros and cons of this wig. I'm actually going to go off of the stock card, and I'm going to give you guys a yes or no if it is a pro or a con. 100% unprocessed human hair, check, yes, that is a pro. Hand-tied lace part, yes. Bleach and dye friendly, I'm not sure. I don't have any interest in dyeing or bleaching this hair. Breathable mesh cap, extremely breathable. Voluminous and full, it is a very full bob and not too much, and it's not too heavy. Elastic band for secure fit. Yes, it has an elastic band. However, even for small-headed people like myself, the elastic band is not working. My personal pros, I love the style, I love how soft it is, and I love the look of the bob and the cut. However, my cons, unfortunately, are going to outweigh the pros this time, and I'm super disappointed that I have to say that, but this wig is very, very, very big head friendly. Now that could be a really good pro for someone else, but for me and for people who have a small head like myself, this wig is way too big. It's very bumpy. I know that I do have braids underneath, but even without the braids being underneath, there is so much extra room in this wig that it actually makes me feel a bit insecure and uncomfortable. And I have the adjustable straps on the tightest setting, as well as using the elastic band. Now I will say that I did not do the method where you do the crisscross of the adjustable straps, and I did not tighten the elastic band even more, so maybe that will fix the problem. Is it an on-the-go wig? Absolutely. For those of you who are new to wigs and beginners, you can just throw your favorite concealer, powder, whatever in this middle part and call it a day. Also, I will say there is a line of demarcation in this wig. I did not cut this one because I just didn't, and I'm not quite sure if I'm 100% going to keep this unit or not. So I did not do any cutting or extra customizing in the wig, but you can certainly cut the little V in the unit to make it lay and look more natural. I was just really excited to tell you guys how much I love this wig, but unfortunately it's okay. It's an okay wig. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give this wig an 8 out of 10 because I do love how beautiful and how soft it is, but it is just way too big for my head. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you guys think of this look. Let me know if it's something that I can do different to jazz up this unit, to make it fit better. Just leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. If this wig is going to be for you, I will leave all of the information below in the description box. Don't forget to share this video, and of course, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys. If you'd like to see how I styled this 100% unprocessed human hair straight bob wig, keep on watching.